So guys, today I have bought the Samsung SSD T7 model and it's the 500 GB capacity model, and as you can see there are 2 TB and 1 TB variants also, and on the box it was priced at 12,000 rupees, and this also comes with 3 years limited warranty which you can apply on the website, Samsung website. So now let's unbox this package. So on the top we have the SSD, which is so slim and thin. I think this we can keep in our hands and take it in anywhere, and it is easily portable. So the color is black and it's shiny black, and there are some labeling on the back, and here we have Type-C port and an LED. So now let's see which cables we have got. So we need to open this. So now we have 2 cables, I guess. Yeah, one is Type-C to Type-C and one is Type-A to Type-C. Both are 3.1 USB standards. And this is USB-A to USB-C, which is again USB 3.1 standards, which can go up to 1000 Mbps. And here we also have LED indicator to show the status of the drive. So here is the warranty card which they have provided and some instructions. So now I have connected this to my computer, and as you can see the light was blinking. So let's check the speed results. So first there is an app to install. Let's open the package. If you are using a Windows, you have Windows file to install. Now I am giving all the permissions for the software to install, and it is asking some security preferences permission. Let me give them. Yeah, it's asking me to restart, I think. Yeah, now I am restarting the computer.
One eternity later.
So now in the applications folder you can see Samsung app. Now click and check, and now name the SSD whichever you like. I am gonna name it my name. Now enter the password which you want to set. So this needs to be, so if you lost the password you cannot recover it again. So now let's check the speed test. So I am downloading the Blackmagic speed test app. Let me open it up. So now let me select the T7 drive. It's on the left side. Now open. Now let me test the speed. So as you can see we are getting 820 Mbps write speed, which is great as this is an SSD and it's a 3.1 standard. And read speed also we are getting more than write speed, 392. As you can see this supports all the standards, and you can use this SSD for editing purpose also, as I am using it like. So read and write are great, and I got this at 6,600 rupees, which is great. Now let me test the app in my internal SSD which I have in the computer. I have created an empty folder to test this. As you can see the internal SSD is much more speed than the external SSD. I am getting write speed at 1 Gbps and read speed at 2 Gbps, which is awesome as Apple have great SSDs in them. Yeah, this is great, I guess. Now we can use this in our mobile phone also. So I have an Android phone which I will show you now how to connect and install the app. the speeds are great. So there is an app called Samsung SSD in the Play Store. Search it and give permission and enter the password. So as you can see, in this we have 467. So in the file manager app you will see USB storage, and I have added some files to check the speed. So as you can see, we can use the files which are on SSD. And now let me play a video so that we can see if there is any lag or not. So as you can see, while I am scrubbing through all the video, there is no lag in the video playback, and this is great for any portable SSD. So this is the video, guys. If you want to buy it, buy, as this is a great SSD which you can use it. So have a great day, guys. Thank you.